Today's dance tutorial will be chest pops. Part 2 of animation of robot and animation will be coming soon. Today will be chest pops and how to flex or pop your chest out. And that will be more of popping. Or if you want to do a quick wave with your chest. Now, how I do it is wave, and then I bring my chest forward, towards the left, and then back. Boom, 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 boom. Back to the left, and then if you want to do it on the right, boom, boom. And this would include any songs that you want to include with a quick hip wave, back with the chest, then back. And then little quick pop is your muscles towards your abs would be the part where you'd be popping or flexing your abs for your muscles. So like just like on the first on the dance tutorial with your arm pops, boom, boom, your biceps. This would be your pop. That would be the wrist pop, and then the chest pop. And then you probably can see it, but I'm popping. I'm going downwards or going backwards. Boom, boom. And then you pop each. So like let's say you want to practice on 4. Depends on how much you can do. My max is like 3 or 4. If I'm all down. This would be good if you're doing quickly. Another way of doing your chest pops. Another quick way is doing your head wave too. And at the very end, so turn and then do a quick pop. Almost like a jerk. When it jerks your chest. Now going to the shoulders and to the arms. Boom. Boom. Going to the back. You have to use your shoulder blades and your back muscles. And almost like a quick pop out. And you're using your chest plates and everything to use that pop out too. Almost like pretend there's big balloon right here and just blow up. And one quick little tip, which I will include in part 2 of robot and animation. This could include the chest pop if you're going slow with the arm wave, and then boom, boom. And then back to this one, where I went up and then backwards all the way down. And then I went down with my legs and back with this arm. I always bring my back downwards and then up. And then you can pretty much do anything from there. Another way, just do a little chest pop towards the front. That would include today's dance tutorial, which would be chest pops. Again, part 2 of robot and animation will be coming soon. probably later this week. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel, which will be linked down below. Tik-Tok Matt, and then find me on any socials at @5_TheRobot. And that's pretty much it. Any other news will be on my other channel. And remember, bots, don't be a fake, be real.